In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fib time zone on Tradingview. Quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to add it to your chart, adjust it, and customize it so it fits your own trading style. First, open up your Tradingview chart. You can use any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Make sure you're on the main charting screen where you normally do your analysis. Now look toward the upper left side of your chart. This is where your main drawing tools are located. Hover your mouse over the icons until you find the section that includes the Gann and Fibonacci tools. It usually looks like a small set of diagonal or grid style icons. Click on the Gann and Fibonacci tools. A list of different drawing options will appear. From that list, find and click on Fib Time Zone. Once you select it, your cursor will change, indicating that you're ready to place the tool on your chart. To create your Fib Time Zone, click once on the point in the chart where you want the sequence to start. This is usually a significant high or low or a key pivot in price action. After that first click, Tradingview will automatically draw out the Fib Time Zone lines into the future based on Fibonacci time intervals. At this point, you've officially created your Fib Time Zone. These vertical lines help you highlight potential time-based areas where price could react, consolidate, or reverse. They don't predict exact moves, but they do give you a structured way to think about time cycles and when important moves might be more likely. You can move or adjust the Fib Time Zone anywhere on your chart. Just click and drag the anchor point to another swing high or low until it lines up with the structure you want to analyze. This lets you test different scenarios and see how past price action lines up with the time zones. You can also customize the tool. Right-click or use the Quick Access panel to open its customization options. From here, you can apply templates, change the color, adjust the line width, and modify the style so the lines are easy to see against your background. You can open the settings panel to tweak more detailed options, lock the tool in place so you don't move it by accident, or remove it entirely if you no longer need it. There are also additional options under the three-dot or More menu if you want to manage it further. That's how you create and work with Fib time zones on Tradingview, keeping your chart both clean and informative.